Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to solve the CEC Computer Fundamentals Week 7 Quiz Test 7 answer, which last date is 5 October 2024. Hi, I am Mananjan Sahu from CB Global University. I have 17 years of experience. Okay, and here I am to solve the NPTEL assignments. Okay, let's start the questions. Here we will find 10 questions. Okay, you can see here, this is quiz week 7 test. We will find 10 questions here and we will try to solve the 10th question as soon as possible. So, okay, let's start the first question. The first question is, dash refers to the simultaneous execution of a multiple threads at a same time. Okay, multiple threads at a same time. Answer will be multi-threading. Answer will be multi-threading. Why multi-threading? See, a process is divided into small parts known as lightweight process or threads. Sending a multiple threads to the processor for processing is known as multi-threading. The application which supports multi-threading is known as multi-threaded applications. So here you can see multi-threading allows multiple threads to execute within a single process. Okay, sharing the same memory. Here multi-threading thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4 like this. Okay, so multi-threading will be the right answer. Option 1, option C is the right answer. Then what about the other two options? Multiprocessing. Multiprocessing involves using two or more CPU. CPU means central processing unit within a single computer system. Okay, it allows multiple processes to run simultaneously, each in its own memory space. Multiprocessing provides true parallelism, but it is different from the multi-threading. Okay, as it is involves separate process rather than threads within a single process. Then what about multitasking? Multitasking is the ability of an operating system to execute multiple tasks, that is processes simultaneously. It manages the process by sharing the CPU timing, which creates an impression of parallel execution, though not necessarily simultaneously at the exact microseconds. Okay, so out of these three options, multi-threading is the right answer. One, option C. Moving to the next questions, very interesting questions here. This operating system means DOS, DISC operating system, was first created by Microsoft in 1981. Okay, because see here, this is the DOS logo. It was the first operating system in 1981 to up to logo was 2000s. So MS-DOS was the first operating released by the Microsoft Corporation. Okay, so option 1 is the right answer. Okay, moving to the question number 3. Dash involves more than one central processing unit, means CPU, in a single computer system. Okay, here in a single, that is called multi-processing. Okay, multi-processing. Why multi-processing? See, it is the multi-processing. Multi-processing versus multi-processing here. CPU1, here register and cache memory is there, and they work simultaneously with the help of the memory. Multi-processing involves multiple CPU. Okay, working together on a single system. Okay, so multi-processing is the correct answer, as it is specifically involves more than one CPU working in a single computer system. Then what about the other two options? What is multitasking? Okay, and multi-threading already we have discussed. So once again, I'm going to verify. Let you know once again. Multitasking means refers the ability of an operating system to manage or execution multiple tasks or processes at the same time. Okay, this is typically done by sharing the CPU timing between the tasks and creating an impression simultaneously execution through it does not necessarily involve the multiple CPUs. Then what is multi-threading? Already I have told you. Multi-threading, the process is divided into small parts known as lightweight process or thread. Sending a multiple thread to the processor for processing is known as multi-threading. The application which supports multi-threading is known as multi-threaded applications. So a multi-threading is the method where multiple threads, that means smaller unit of a process, are executed concurrently within a single process. Okay, while multi-threading can improve the efficiency of the CPU uses and it does not involve the multiple CPU, instead it relies on the single CPU executing multiple threads in a time-sharing manner. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Okay, 3, option A. Moving to the question number 4, that is, dash have a special trial period such as 1 month. Okay, such as 1 month. This is the shareware software. Shareware software. You have seen that some of the company first they will give some time to first use our products. After that, if you feel it is better, then it will be charged to you. Then here, the shareware software. Shareware software is typically offered for a trial period before requiring the payment. Shareware refers a commercial software. Okay, commercial software means that is the enterprise software or business software. The same thing is there. It provides initially free of charges to the user just by trying it, for then they will pay if they want to continue to use it. Okay. Then what about open source software? Another two options is there: open source software and commercial software. And what is open source software? Open source software means a free, available free. There is no cost at all. It refers software whose source code is made available to the public, allowing anyone can to view, modify, okay, and distribute the code. Open source software is generally free to use and does not have any trial period. It has no trial period. Anyone can use, and any restrictions based on the uses of time. Okay. Then what about commercial software? Commercial software is developed and sold for the profit. We can take an example of commercial tally. We can take an example of antivirus software. We can take an example of operating system. That is one commercial software, like Windows operating system. Okay. And so many commercial softwares are there. SAP software also. They are especially designed for business purposes, enterprises purposes, to sell, to get the profit. Okay, that is called the commercial software. So out of the three options, CRR software is the correct answer, as it typically offers a specified trial period for the evaluation before evaluations before requiring the payment for the continuous use. Okay. So here CRR software 4 option is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5. Same question, and that is CRR software policy is policy. Let's say try before you buy. Okay, try before you buy. First you try. If you feel it is good, if you're comfortable, it is for your purpose, then you can buy. So try before you buy. See, I'm just giving you some hints about it. CRR software try policy is allowed to the user before deciding the purchase. One option is there. I'm just maximizing it. It is a shareware software and it's a freeware software. What is the difference between the shareware software and the freeware software? Shareware software free to use with limitations. Free to use with limitations. Okay, so that means some specific features are there. Okay, if you purchase that, you will get more additional features. But in case of a freeware software, free to use with no limitations. Okay. Second thing, in case of shareware software, for trial period often 30 days. You will get 30 days. You will get, after that you will be charged. But in freeware, no trial period is there. Shareware software, some features may require payment. If you pay, then you can use the additional features. Okay. But in case of a freeware, all the features are optional for all the users. Okay. So here 5C is the right answer. Okay. 5 option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 6. Moving to the question number 6. The use of dash can customize the software as per the needs. As per the needs. 6 option, open source software. Okay. Open source software. You can see here open source software. I'm just zoom out. Open source software. Okay, you can see Firefox, you can see Office, Fedora, PHP, Linux, Ubuntu, Java, MySQL, WordPress. These are called the open source software. So open source software allows users to modify and customize the code. Therefore, open source software is the correct answer, as it allows the users to customize the software according to their needs by modifying the source codes. But what about the other two options, that is freeware software and commercial software? Freeware software is a software that is available for use at no cost. Okay, but its source code is not provided. Source code means coding part is not provided to the users, meaning users can not modify the customize it, or cannot modify or customize it. Okay. Freeware is distributed as is without the ability for users to alter its functionality or adapt it to their needs. But in case of a commercial software, means enterprise software, it is a software that is developed for the sale to the end users. Okay, for business profit only. For it is a proprietary, and its source code is typically close to the users. Okay, preventing and customization. Users are bound to licensing the agreements that is restricted modification or redistribution of the softwares. Okay, so here open source software 6B is the right answer. Okay, 6B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. Question number 7 is the window which show icons for this, like the mouse, sound and display, is called control panel. Okay, in control panel you can see control panel. How the control panel is look like this? I'm just seeing what is the control panel, and go to the search button. You see CONTROL control panel. See the control panel. This is like this. I'm just showing you this is like this. Okay, this is the control panel. This is the system security network and the internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts, appearance and personalization, check, clock and regions. Okay, ASAP access. These are the options that are available. Okay, so you can see this is the control panel. Okay, control panel. Control panel, see, I'm just, this is look like this. This is look like control panel is where the users can configure the system setting, preference. Control panel is the correct answer. Okay, as the windows where icons and managing things like mouse, sound, display are found. But what about the other two options here? My computer is there, taxpayer is there. What is there in features and functionality? Okay, my computer we may treat it as simple as this PC. You can find in your system. You may size this PC that is called, prior to that it was the my computer. Okay, newer version of a Windows. This is the Windows that is show the contents of the computer. In my computer, content of computer including drivers, connected device, system folder. Okay, it is primarily used for accessing the files, folders, managing storage, but does not provide direct access to the system configuration setting like those found in the control panel. Okay, on control panel you can find anything that you can be able to manage or customize or control. Okay, but my computer is different thing. Okay, then what is the taskbar? This is the taskbar. In taskbar, this is a horizontal bar. See, in the taskbar, my Internet Explorer folder and other icons are there. You can see. I'm just showing it in my mouse pointer. Okay, so taskbar is a horizontal bar typically located at the bottom of the Windows. This is the Windows and this is the bottom of the Windows, and you can see a horizontal bar that is called a taskbar. It shows the open application. What tab application I have already opened, that will indicates provide access to the start menu. Here we can the start menu. See, the start option is showing start menu and include shortcuts to frequently used application, but it does not display the icons managing system setting like mouse, sound, etc. It can be found only control panel. So control panel is the right answer. Okay, control panel is the right answer. That is 7 option B. We definitely choose 7 option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 8. Question number 8. Which is not the function of an operating system? Okay, operating system. So what is an operating system? Operating system is an user interface, which is the computer hardware and the user. Okay, computer hardware and the user. What is another operating system? Is a set of programs. Okay, so which not operating system? Which is not, asking about not, which is not the function of operating system? It is virus protection. Virus protection is separate things. You can find memory management in operating system. You can find disk management in operating system. But virus protection is not found because another software is required. Firewall somewhere protects on the traffics, internet traffics. But another software, very software companies are there like North32, Panda, EACT, and K7, Kaspersky. Okay, Quickheal. So many software companies, they are providing the antivirus software. So virus protections can be another different software. Okay, see here. Virus protection, see, virus protections, while operating system often have built-in security features, virus protection is typically separate software application, which I have already told. Okay, so virus protection is not inherently a function of operating system, but rather the job of specialized security software. Okay, then two options, another question we have to discuss what is their work. Memory management and disk management. What is their functions? What is memory management? Memory management is a core function of the operating system. Okay, operating system. It involves managing the computer memory, including the allocation, deallocation of the memory spaces as needed by the different application and process. This ensures that each application runs efficiently, that the system does not run out of memory. Okay, that is the memory management. How to manage the memory efficiently. Then what is disk management? Disk management is another key functions of the operating systems. It includes managing the store devices such as hard disk drive, SSD. SSD means solid state drives by handling and reading and writing of data, organizing files, directories, and managing disks, partition, and file systems. Okay, so here virus protection is the right answer. Okay, virus protection 8 option C. Okay, it is not a function of the operating system. Understood? Okay, we move to the next question, question number 9. The program that secretly collect information and send to the outside party via the user's internet. Then it will be the who? It will be the spyware. It is a spyware. See how spyware? How spyware? Because the spyware secretly collect informations without the user's knowledge. So spyware is the correct answer. Okay, specifically collect the send information to outside party without the user's knowledge, utilizing the user internet connections. Here the various types of spies were there. That is called adware. Okay, keyloggers, Trojan horse, mobile spyware, passwords stealers. So many types of that's the different things. But here spyware without the customer knowledge, it can steal the informations. But what about the other two options? Of virus and adwares. We have to know who they are. Oh, virus is a type of malicious software that replicates itself by attaching to the other programs or files. It spreads from one computer to another and can use harm to data, software, even hardware also. Okay, unlike spyware, a virus primarily goal is not to collect information, but rather than disrupt, damage, gain unauthorized access to the system resources. That is the work of the virus. Then what about the adware? Adware means simple advertising. Its software automatically displays or download advertisement. Okay, often in the form of a pop-ups icons. Okay, pop-ups. While it can be intrusive and annoying, its primary purpose is to generate revenue through advertising rather than secretly collecting information. Basically to promote something. Okay, they will show the advertising with the help of the pop-up. Okay, some pop-ups I can display that this advertisement, that's advertisement. Okay, we have to know that what the thing is. That if you are interested, we may click and we may know the details of the advertisement. Okay, if you require it is required to me, then we will click and enjoy this. Otherwise we may just move out from that site. Okay, so however, some adware can also have a spyware components. So here question number 9, see here the spyware programs that secretly collect information and send it to the outside party via a user's internet connection. 9, option B is the right answer. Moving to the last question, guys. Okay, dash are used to find files located somewhere on a specified storage medium. Specified storage level in your computer. What you will think in your there is a search tool option there. Yes, see. So in every computer, in C drive, every computer you will find a search tool. You find a search tool. So what is the work of a search tool? See, search tool, this like this. It will search where is a file located, is there a folder located. It will search tool. So search tool are used to locate a file, to find a file on a storage devices. Means our secondary storage devices. Okay, so search tool is the correct and widely accepted term for used to find files and specified storage medium. Okay, so what about the rest of the two things? That is locate tools and find tools. We must know locate tools and find tools are not commonly used terms in the modern operating system for file searching. Okay, for file searching, it is especially while there is a specific command line utility that is locate. If you want to locate, you type the locate command. Locate command in Unix operating system. Unix based operating system, they are not only universally referred like Windows operating systems. And find tools can refer to a specific functions or command like find. We have to type find command in the Unix based system, not in the Windows Unix based system. But they are not generalized category commonly recognized across the different platforms. So here the search tool is the right answer among these three options. Search tools. Okay, search tool. 10 options is the right answer. Guys, we have give the answer all the 10 questions. You can see and verify here. Okay, now I'm going to submit this answer. You can see I'm just click on the submit answer. Message came that your answer is successfully submitted. I'm going to process, and assignment submitted on days 31st August 2024. Thank you for taking the week test, guys. Successfully we just attempt the 10 questions. I feel you must definitely enjoy this video, and if you enjoy, definitely you must like and subscribe to with your colleagues and friends, so that the other people can get the knowledge. And very soon I am trying to solve the week 8 test in front of you. Till then, if you are preparing for the exam, I hope you will prepare very well. And before the exam, I will try to give some tips and tricks so that you can crack the exam very well and secure a good percentage in your exam. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.